I'm going to be honest, I did not want to come outside and garden today. Yesterday, my husband and I hosted the grand opening of our home improvement showroom and the Gardens by Monica workshop space, and the turnout was amazing. It was everything we hoped for, but today we are completely exhausted. Last month has been nonstop, with late nights, constant decisions, running in 100 different directions, and in the middle of all that, everything else just got pushed aside. So when I looked around this morning, my house, my garden, everything, it just felt like it was all just waiting for me and needing my attention. And instead of feeling motivated, I felt completely overwhelmed. It wasn't just the garden, it was the laundry, it was my dog who desperately needs a bath, it was my son, it was the emails that need to be followed up on, clients to get back to, thank you messages that I still haven't sent. So I told myself, I'm just going to sit down for 10 minutes just to rest. But 10 minutes turned into 20, and then into 25, and then it was just me scrolling on my phone nonstop. You know, the kind of scrolling where you're not even enjoying it? You're just mindlessly looking at things. And then I checked the weather. Next week is supposed to be warm, but all rainy. And all I thought was, great. Everything is about to start growing. Everything is about to start taking off. And I still haven't even gotten a chance to get out there yet. And that's when thoughts started creeping in. How am I teaching people how to garden when my own space looks like this? What am I even doing? I felt the imposter syndrome start creeping in. Am I actually a good gardener? And then my brain just started spiraling. A million different thoughts, a million different things that I should be doing. And somehow doing nothing felt easier than starting anything. But then I remembered something. I have never, not once, laid in bed at night and regretted spending time outside. I have never thought, wow, that was a total waste of time. Not once. So I stopped thinking about everything and I grabbed my boots, I grabbed my gardening gloves, and I grabbed my snips, and I walked outside. I didn't have a plan. I stopped putting pressure on myself, and I didn't have the expectation that everything needed to be perfect and look finished. I just needed to start. And as I started, I went to clean out the large urns that flanked the gate. Over winter, I had stuck a Christmas tree in there and had some dried hydrangea heads at the base just to add a little interest. And as I began pulling everything out, I noticed something. The hydrangea cuttings were actually still alive. The buds were starting to swell, and it completely caught me off guard. Because yes, hydrangeas are easy to root, but I cut these in the fall, which means that they never really had a chance to establish roots. And we had a pretty harsh winter, so no protection, no real foundation, and somehow every single one of these cuttings made it. So I stood there for a second thinking that's actually pretty incredible. So I'm going to stick them in my raised beds in the back and just see what happens. And I think that's part of what I love about this so much, because you can't control everything. Sometimes things just work anyway. So within the first 5 minutes, something completely shifted in my mindset. All that noise just quieted, the constant thoughts, they slowed down, and suddenly all I could hear were the birds, and I could feel the sun, and instead of thinking about everything that I had to do, I just focused on the next thing, and then the next, and then the next. And that's when I realized this is really what gardening is. Yes, it's about plants, and yes, it's about creating something beautiful, but more than that, it's about giving your mind somewhere to rest. It's about taking all of that noise and replacing it with something simple, something real, something you can touch. Because when you're out here, you're not thinking about emails, you're not thinking about expectations, you're just being present. And little by little, as I clear a bed, or as I trim something back, or as I start to see progress, I start to feel a shift inside of myself. I feel calmer, lighter, and more in control. And maybe that's the part we don't talk about enough. Gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about growing confidence, it's about growing peace, and it reminds you that you are capable of creating something good, even when everything else feels messy. Even when you feel behind, even when you feel like you have no idea what you're doing, you just start. One thing at a time. And that's really what I hope to share here. Not perfection, not perfectly maintained gardens, but these real moments, the messy middle, the days where you don't feel like showing up, but you do anyway, because those are the moments that actually matter. And those are the moments that change you. And if you're feeling overwhelmed or like everything is just piling up, this is your reminder that you don't have to fix everything today. Just start with one thing. Go outside, get your hands in the dirt, and see what shifts. I'll see you guys in the next one.